Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video to clarify something, how to reopen an account once it's invalid. So that happen oftentimes from Light Forest and other brokers. Like for example, this is a broker open and up and running, and you can see on the in the bottom right hand corner, the numbers are changing right here. So that means that the account is up and running. But sometimes the MT4 is there, but the account gets corrupted or the connection is not there. It says no connection or invalid account, like this one. This one it says invalid account, right? The charge is there, the MT4 is there, but the account gets invalid because it's not active. So you have to reopen a new account, but not download a new MT4. The MT4 is there. It's still there. Keep it because you have all the work done here, and make the profiles and templates, blah blah blah. So it's a lot of work there, right? So you don't have to lose the MT4, but you have to open a new account and make it up and running. So how you do it, you simply go here on the file and click on file, and down here you see open an account. You click on that and this happens. This window opens up where you have the server, different type of server. So whatever the account is, if you have live account and send account or classic account or whatever, but in my case I'm showing up here the demo account from lightfinance.demo.com. So I'm gonna select that demo account and then press next, and then this window opens up, and it requires, if you have the username password already, then type here. If not, you need a new demo account. So mark this circle here, new demo account, and click next, and you will have this window where make sure your name, your email address, blah blah, blah, everything is done. But you see this next button is not highlighted. So it will be highlighted when you check this box. I agree to subscribe your newsletters. Right, later on you can do whatever, but right now we need to check, so that as soon as you check this box, look what happened. This next button highlighted. Right now you do it, and you can make changes here, like instead of 5,000 you want a 50,000 demo account, 100,000, whatever, millions, right? Leverage, whatever they are providing is 1 to 1,000, right? So you can change that. See all of that, and then you press next and you will have a new account open. Here we go. Gonna log in, password, investor, and all that. As soon as you finish the click here on the finish button, you will see here, instead of invalid account, you see the numbers running. That means you have a new account and it's up and running. Watch. See that? I don't have any chart here, so that's why I said the waiting for update, but the account is open.
Incoming mail.
Then you hear this message that incoming mail, blah blah blah, and the chart is right there. And this is just have to redo that. Let me see if I can just drop it again. The chart will appear here. You see that? So the MT4 is there, your charts are there, but now you have a new account. So this is how you change inactive account into active, and invalid account into active and up and running account. Okay, I hope that helped. If you still have any problem, I think that's Margot. You're the one that asked. I'm making this video for you, and open your new account and let me know if it is up and running and everything is fine. All right. I'm gonna send this video out to everyone anyway. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.